What is it? Which kind love it is you? I never see. It's just God. I said, God bless them, replenish their pockets. The money they use and bought this yam for this mama, and the mama decided to share with me. God bless their pockets in abundance. Amen. I'm so happy for this light, honestly, because it makes filming easy for me right now. Supposing this light is not here, I will do all these things without even filming it. I will not film it because here will be dark. It's always discouraged me whenever I want to cook in the kitchen and I need to share the video with you guys and I will not have light. Maybe this one now up will not be on. Right. Will not be on, you understand? So now we did not on gen yesterday and this light is off. So it will make me not make video. But with this power bank, at least I'm making video. I'm filming for you guys. So don't forget to give the video a like, drop a nice comment for us, and share our video if you can. You understand? We'll definitely get there. That's one thing I sure. That is one thing I sure. And also, guys, I don't know if I'm talking too much, but I need to say it to entertain you guys. Yes, as in to come online these days, I don't know who is relating with me. To come online these days is always tiring because you don't know the one that you will come online. It will be the first thing that will pop up in your phone. As in, the feeling I'm having, I don't know if other persons are having the same feeling. If other person are having the same feeling, sorry. If other persons are having the same feeling, because now God will keep on protecting us from the evil ones, because evil shall never see us. I believe you know where I'm going. It's only God that will keep protecting. But it's well. When you go out, you pray, come back, you thank God, honestly, because it's not by our power. It's not by our power. So guys, I'll talk to you guys when I'm done peeling this plantain. You understand? Because this is the only thing that will delay me just now. That's it. Have the soup finished? Yes. What of that? This small soup. Who is still eating apart from you? This small soup. Who is washing plates? Who's supposed to wash plate today? Henry or Vicky? You see, if you will make any gala and you do not finish it, that is what you keep on drinking it, you finish it. Don't eat that thing. Okay, Mommy. I'm not make too much. cook inside. You better make it in one plate.
No, I don't want too much. I want some more. Because it's not gonna know you. That is you.
I say make that thing together.
Yeah,
Did you hear me?
we
Put it together.
Yes. Harry. Harry. Yes. Come and tell me. The other family is this one here. That will be.
That garri is mommy favor that gave us, so I have to join it in that one.
But it's not Mama that gave us.
Hmm?
It's not that Grandma that gave us.
Which grandma? I say mommy favor.
Oh.
It's the her mother that gave us the yam yesterday. Today is the daughter that gave us garri. Can't you see how it's smelling like village garri?
Village garri.
They fry garri in their compound.
No wonder. Village garri used to sweet. Better than this one that do now and do now too now. Hey, that's too much.
Let me
Free salt.
Let me say we garri like this for you.
I just take small pepper.
Give me 1 tin tomatoes.
1 tin tomatoes.
Inside there. First.
Oh. Yeah, why do you think tomatoes? Let me find the tomatoes.
Bye. See you in my next video. Please don't forget to give us a like and subscribe if you have not subscribed. Understand? So I'll talk to you guys in my next video. Let me go and calm down and eat this food. Understand? Mmm. Otondo. Oh, Papa. You finish your. This boy. Hey! My double eater. You finish your food. Chai. Let me see your plate. Show me your plate. It's true. This boy finished his food. Chineke is red. Let me thank you now. Mommy, thank you. Oh, you're going to drink water. Good boy. You see this video I just finished making, that you see that the kitchen is bright. All thanks to this light. Understand? This new age that my husband bought. This thing is power bank and then touch light. The light is superb. I'm telling you. Let me just on it for you guys to see. Can you see how bright this light is? Understand? Can you see? All thanks. Honestly, I'm so happy. Great shift you. I gotta keep your plate. Gotta keep it. Go for my video. So all thanks to this power bank. But the money, the price is still shaking my heart because I really need that money to put in my shop. But it's working its purpose now. Understand? But there's a big thank you for this light you gave me. Now that I see the purpose of this light because I'll be using it to shoot video in my kitchen. You understand? Yeah. So see you guys in my next video. This will be the end of this vlog and video. Yeah. So